Hello, I'm Katy, live video podcasting coach, and welcome to the Thrive with Live in 5 News Bites. So, why live video podcasting? Video podcasting is going to continue to rise, reaching over 100 million listeners this year. Can you believe that? As also a really broad type of people who listen to them as well. So, number one, visibility and personal branding. It provides you with a very strong personal brand. They can see you, they can hear you, they can see and hear your expressions and your personality, and it makes you very memorable and relatable. Number two, people listening can multitask. They can do whatever they like doing when they're listening or watching podcasts. They can wash the dishes, walk the dog, exercise, and this makes it great for attracting high ticket clients who are very busy people. Number three, you can repurpose your content all over the place if you start with a live video. It's actually very easy to do. You can create social media, newsletters, audio, infographics, reels, a whole host of things. Number four, it establishes trust. So when people can hear your voice and see your face, I'm not doing this live at the moment because of my health difficulties, but you can do either video or audio and you still establish that wonderful trust. Number five, it stops procrastination. This is my favorite. If you schedule a live video each week, you have to just show up and it stops that perfectionism and it gets you into momentum. So loads of ways why live video podcasting can be great for your business. I hope you enjoyed this and I really look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye.